I'm chewing on your monkey. What are you doing with them toys? Yeah.
She's not even supposed to be doing that yet, is she?
No. Not yet. I've got to put that video together. Remember your mom wanted me to send it for Christmas?
Well, you got 8 million videos to put together.
Yeah, I know. I just am not good at putting them together. I don't know. I'm just not. I'm playing with a toy. Look at you, chewing on a monkey. Does it taste nummies? You got his ear. Oh goodness. You're so funny. I got such a funny baby. I dropped your keys. What's the matter? Starting to get a little whiny or something? It looks like you're getting kind of frustrated or something. What's for looking at, crazy baby? Hey, look at your mom. Hey. Oh, what are you doing? Rubbing your eyes, getting a little tired or something? Hey! Cece! Cece! Celeste Marie! Celeste Marie! Look over here! Crazy little baby! Hey. Hi, what are you doing? I don't know. That was frustrated, little paws. Hey. Hey. Hi. Hi. Alright, better say bye-bye to the camera then. Say bye-bye.